Hey guys, my name's Leffers Cubes here today. Today we're going to be doing the review of the Weilong GTS. Now the Weilong GTS seems like it was made just with squared off corners, but does the cube actually feel like the Weilong that broke the world record in the past? Now the Weilong GTS is $21 from speedcube.com.au. It comes in a nice package and it's really fast out of the box. The speed of this cube once lubed is really fast, but still being controllable at the same time. The feeling of this cube is completely different from the original Weilong. It feels like just an area and really fast and sort of clicky feeling cube, which I don't mind. Of course popping isn't an issue, as well as corner cutting being up to standards over 45 and 1-piece reverse, and of course being 56mm. So what do I want to say about this cube? This cube is really good and not what I expected though. The Weilong is a blocky and smooth feeling cube, but this is completely different. This is an airy, light feeling cube. So for those people who want to buy this cube, remember this will be different from the original Weilong. What I want to compare this with is the Weilong GT. I think it's better than the Weilong GT, but its feeling is quite similar. But that's all for today, and I'll see you guys in another episode of Cubing. Bye bye!